G'day trendsetters, how you going? Just a short and quick little video today on my Lisbon Lemon. I want to show you that there's what's called a sucker growing from the rootstock of the lemon tree. Now you need to look out for this because the sucker growth from the rootstock is generally more vigorous than the plant that's budded on, in this case the Lisbon Lemon, and you need to cut it off. And so you also need to regularly check your citrus. Nearly all citrus will do it. Normally when they're young, as they get a bit older, they tend to settle down and stop doing it. But when they're a young plant, just keep an eye around the base of the rootstock for any growth that's coming out, and just a nice clean cut as close as you can to the trunk should do the job. Right, I had a little bit of trouble with the audio, but what I've got here, this is the sucker I'm talking about coming out to the left there, and the bottom half, the fatter part there, you can see that's the rootstock, and the above part there is the scion, or the Lisbon Lemon. Now the sucker has well and truly gotten away on me here. It's well and truly over 2 foot tall, so it has to go. If I don't remove it, you'll find that suckers from rootstock are generally more hardy and more vigorous than the normal plant that's been grafted onto the rootstock, and it will take over, so it needs to be removed. So it's simple as getting in as close as you can with the secateurs, and nice clean cut, and snip it away, and that's it, job done. I don't remember what else I would have waffled on about here, but oh, there I go, come back to me. Anyhow, if you like this video, you found it useful, informative in any way, I'd love it if you subscribed. And it's a little bit messy because of the sound, but either way, cheers and thanks for watching. Love to know what I was saying.